Hello to all dear students. I welcome you again to the online video class of computer. Children, in assignment number 29, I'm going to tell you the syllabus for final exam. You have to note down these syllabus. It is important. Okay. Lesson number 3, advanced features of word processor. Lesson 4, presentation software. Lesson 7, algorithms and flowchart. Okay. Lesson 3 and lesson 4. The whole chapter is coming, but from lesson 4 till much I have taught you in the class, in the video, till that much only will come in your exam. Okay, children. So, from this video onwards, we'll be starting our revision work. So, it is very important to watch these videos very carefully. Okay, children. Now, I'm going to give you some questions. You have to note down these questions in your notebook and you have to learn them also. Rest, fill in the blanks and name the following kind of questions you have to learn of your own. Okay, these are the marks scoring questions that already I have solved in the book. Okay, but in these revision videos I'll just revise the whole chapter, that what we have gone through already. Okay, so watch the video carefully and note down the questions. Here is the question number 1. Name the special tools which are used to enhance the look of documents in MS Word. We have studied about the word processor. That word processor are the softwares on which we can type, we can prepare our letters, we can prepare our reports. Okay, so in computer system there are softwares which are used for typing for all these purposes. Okay, so whenever we type any document in a MS Word, what are the special tools which helps us to enhance the look or the presentation of our document? So, the special tools which are used in MS Word are formatting tools, editing tools and drawing tools. Formatting tools, like you can change the color of the text, you can change the size of the text. Okay, also you can make them underline, you can make them bold, italicize. These things comes under formatting tools. Okay, editing tools means you can edit or modify the text, like you can insert headers, you can insert footers. Okay, these kind of things comes under editing tools. Drawing tools means in your document you can use different shapes. Okay, and you can apply borders, you can apply shadings, so that thing comes under drawing tools. Okay, so there are 3 special tools: formatting, editing and drawing tools. Second question, what is the use of superscript button and subscript button? Superscript button, this button is used to represent the text above the normal line. Suppose I want to write down x square. Okay, so a square comes above, no? So when you type, it types like that. But if you want to make this tool slightly above the line, so you have to select this tool and then you have to click on superscript button. Then it will shows you like this, x square, like this. Okay. Next, subscript. This button is used to represent the text below the normal line. Suppose you want to write down the formula of water, that is chemical formula of water is H2O. So this is how we write down. Okay, so when you type on computer, it seems like that. So what you have to do, you have to first select this two and then you have to click on subscript button. So it will show you like this. Okay, so these buttons used for this purposes. Here comes question number 3. Define header and footer. Header and footer are some text or graphics that are usually printed at the top and bottom of every page in a document. Suppose, children, if we want a particular heading to be printed on each and every page of a document, so we use header and footer. In header gives us the heading. Header part is used to give the heading and all, and footer part is used to print anything at the bottom of the page. Means that thing will automatically get printed on another pages. Also, you not need to write down the same thing again and again at the top and at the bottom of the page. Okay. Next is margin. The margin is the round space for the entire document to present it in a readable form. What is margin, children? Margin is the round space. Round space means only from here. See, this is the margin. This much margin I have kept. Okay, so means till from here only you can start writing, but not before that. So margin provides us the round space for writing something, okay, from where we can start our typing. Page orientation. It is the direction of text or graphics in which a document is displayed or printed. Now children, this is the portrait form. This is the portrait form, okay. Like the texts are written like this, okay, but this is the landscape form, okay, means the text will return like this, okay. So page orientation means what you, it's up to you whether you want your document to be printed in portrait form or landscape form, okay. So it is the direction, it is mainly the direction or presentation of graphics that is to be printed, that is to be displayed, okay. Now question number 4. What is the use of drawing tools in MS Word? Now children, we have studied about 3 tools: formatting tools, editing tools and drawing tools. So with the help of drawing tools, see what we can do. We can insert different shapes like rectangles, stars, banners and basic shapes in our document, okay. Ovals, squares, different shapes we can insert in our document. Point number 2 is we can fill the colors in basic shapes in different styles. We can draw the shapes and also we can fill the colors with the help of drawing tools in our basic shapes in different styles. Third point, we can place text in shapes. Means children, suppose you have inserted this star shape in your document and now you want to write down something interesting on it like sale. So we can draw the basic shapes, okay, in our document. Also we can write inside those shapes, okay. See children, okay, like this. Hello. Like this, you have inserted the shape, okay. You have to select the drawing tool and then you can click on this particular shape, and also you can write inside it whatever text you want to write down, okay children. Next comes, we can apply border and shading in our document to enhance its look. Suppose you have write down something, if you want to apply border, okay, so you can do this also. Border is an outline. Border is an outline which is applied in all the around all the text, okay children. Next is shading. Shading means to highlight the background of any text. Like suppose if there is some important line is there, so you highlight it with a highlighter. So you can use shading tool also to highlight the text, okay. So these all things come under the drawing tools. So with the help of drawing tools we can do all these things in our document, okay children. So now these are the basic questions from all the chapter, okay. Now what you have to do children, you have to do these questions at in your notebook. Note down the questions in your notebook, they can come in exam, okay. So these are important questions. Also you have to learn fill in the blanks, okay. Name the following, true, false, and this. Answer the followings like 2 options kind of questions, because these are marks scoring, okay children. So this is enough for today in this video. We will be meeting soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home, and study hard, work hard to get good marks. Okay children, bye.